What's up guys, the TechSpot here. So here's what happened. So I told you guys I would have my jailbreak tutorial for the Unc0ver 5.0.0 jailbreak for every single device on every single signed version of iOS. The jailbreak video tutorial would be released very shortly, and it's still not out. It's been like 2 days now. I've read your comments, and here's why I've still not uploaded my tutorial. So to start with, the alt store has not been working for me, okay? For some reason, I tried on my Windows computer and I tried on my Mac. On both computers, for some reason, I don't know why, when I try to run alt store, it just crashes. I've had every plugin installed, I have had the mail plugin and everything running perfectly fine, but as soon as I try to just type my Apple ID and get alt store on my device, it just crashes. So I thought I'd wait until there was a no computer method to upload my jailbreak tutorial for the Unc0ver 5.0 jailbreak. I know many of you guys have been having the same issues with alt store or just any other issues. On top of that, it's just more convenient just to have a no computer method. So we were waiting for these signing services like App Valley and Ignition to sign Unc0ver so that we could just basically install our device without a computer, no computer needed, right? And then get our devices jailbroken. Alright, so of course we ran into two issues. The first time, the Unc0ver jailbreak app that they signed was broken. When you tried to run the jailbreak, it always had an error. For me, it got stuck at 25 out of 32, and I tried on multiple devices. I made sure to do every single fix there is in the book to make this jailbreak work, and the jailbreak still did not go through on any of my devices. So I knew I wasn't the only one having this issue, because I did read some comments and people were saying they had the same issue or a similar one. So fast forward a little bit, and Unc0ver 5.0.0 got revoked, so you were no longer able to even install the broken version of Unc0ver. So now, recently, like last night, it was signed again, except the new version of Unc0ver 5.0.1, and it wasn't a broken version, so they got it signed. People were able to successfully jailbreak, but that certificate for Unc0ver didn't last very long, okay? Unc0ver got revoked super quick. I feel like Apple is just watching all these signing services. They're like, okay, as soon as they have Unc0ver signed, just going to revoke it so that no one will be able to install this jailbreak, okay? They're really cracking down, and it kind of sucks because I want to give you guys a method that will always work, because I don't like to upload a video and later on that video doesn't work, so people think I was lying in that video. I do wish we had something like Cydia Impactor again, so we can just sign our own apps, because Cydia Impactor always worked back in the day, but now it's broken. So, and Sark's not really going to update Cydia Impactor. Yeah, I'm just waiting for Unc0ver to be signed again, and hopefully this new certificate, if it does get signed, will last a long time. Hopefully Apple does not catch on quick, okay? But as soon as we have a new certificate, I will let you guys know where it's available. I'll put the link in the description. You guys will be able to click on the link on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, download the Unc0ver 5.0 jailbreak, and jailbreak your device. But yeah, guys, that's basically what's been happening. Now, as soon as Unc0ver gets signed again, then I'm gonna upload a video as soon as it happens. I'm gonna stay on point with this one, okay, guys? So as soon as that video drops, make sure to watch it right away so that you are able to get Unc0ver, because again, Apple's really like watching with like binoculars, you know? They got this thing scoped out. As soon as they see a signed Unc0ver, they're gonna get that revoked, okay? And then you won't be able to install it without a computer. In the meantime, I do have some other videos planned that are pretty interesting, so stay tuned for those. And yeah, guys, this is the TechSpot, and I'll catch you guys as soon as Unc0ver 5.0.1 is signed again, or a new version once that is released. Peace out.